Good day, Dr. Azizi. I'm Alex, and today I will do the presentation with Zixin. Our group topic is about automatic number plate detection based on Sobel edge detection and vertical projection. So for our project introduction is about the automatic number plate recognition, which is ANPR. That is a mass surveillance mice that use optical character recognition on images to read the number plates on vehicles. The approaches of ANPR consist of image acquisition, image preprocessing, plate localization, character segmentation, and optical character recognition. For instance, in order to improve the efficiency of entrance and exit vehicles in parking lot management, ANPR is aimed at vehicles that don't need to charge parking fees. Passing vehicles do not need to stop when they pass the crossing. That is, automatic vehicle identification and automatic charging can be realized. So for the project problem statement, which is relying solely on human memory to check the information of people and vehicles, will result in plenty work of the staff, resulting in negligence in work, which will lead to an increase in the safety of vehicles. Setting up a number plate recognition system at the entrance and exit of the parking lot can be solved the problem. And for the project objective is about to develop a system which can be used to detect the rectangle-shaped plate number and extract the number plate from the dataset based on age detection. Here's our group schedule. And actually we do a lot of research paper, and here is we find some important papers here. So for the first papers is called automatic number plate recognition, a detailed survey of relevant algorithm, which is about the this paper is about to advance the system of knowledge in ANPR built on CV algorithm by setting relevant period work, analyzing and presenting a survey of extraction, segmentation, and recognition techniques with providing guidelines on future trends in this area. And the second is a number plate recognition system. This paper is about compressed image processing, which is enhancement of image contrast, morphological operation, and segmentation of labels. And the third one is image enhancement using morphological contrast enhancement for video-based image analysis. This paper is about morphological operation for video-based images. And next is algorithm and mathematical principles of ANPR. This paper is about applied detection, process of poor characters, segmentation, normalization, and recognition. And the next one is analyzing passenger and flight vehicles movement from automatic number plate recognition camera data. So this paper is about to get ANPR camera data and promotion themes and applications of the data source. And the next one is number plate recognition for Nigeria vehicles. This one is about plate character recognition is carried out using support vector machine. And the last paper is automatic number plate recognition system by character position method. This one is about character recognition is done with a support vector machine. And for the next part, I pass to Zixin.
Okay, so this is our proposed solution. So first we undergo the color conversion, which convert RGB image to grayscale image, and next is noise reduction by using media filter. And next we go into the process of image enhancement, which includes two processes, which is the sharpen the images and histogram equalization. And the fifth process is Sobel edge detection, and next vertical projection and bank flipping and lens selection will be used in the end of this project. Next. Okay, so first is the image processing, pre-processing. So the first process will be included is the color conversion. This is because grayscale image will be definitely simplify the algorithm and reduce the computational requirements that is not necessary. So we obtain the value of RGB of the pixel first, then the average of the RGB value will be calculated by using the equation, which is shown as in the image. So the value of RGB will be replaced with the average value that's calculated, and the alpha value won't be manipulated as it will affect the transparency of the pixel involved. So therefore the two variables x and y will be created, and two for loops will be used to traverse each pixels as the image shown below. So as you can see, the image above beside the image pre-processing titles. So we managed to convert the RGB image into the grayscale image. So next. Okay, next we undergo the noise reduction by using the media filter. So this filter can calculate the pixel of 3 times 3. After extracting from the region of the 3 times 3 images, the 9 pixel values will be arranged as a vector that is sorted out. So finally, the center value will be obtained. The reason why we're using media filter instead of linear filter is the media filter can remove the effect of input noise values, which is extremely large magnitudes. So for a linear filter, the output will be degraded by even a small fraction of a value because it's very sensitive. Yeah, next. So next is the image enhancement. So the first process in the image enhancement process is image sharpening. So it's an image enhancement technique that will highlight the edges and small details which are hard to be discovered in the images. So edges and fine details will be featured by a sharp transitions in image intensity. This kind of transition will contribute significantly to high frequency components of Fourier transform. So Fourier transform is used to decompose an image into its sine and cosine components. Yeah, so this is the equation. Okay, next is the histogram equalization. Next. Okay, so it's defined as an image processing technique that is used to improve the image contrast. So if you want to contrast the image, then we use these techniques. So the light and dark areas blend together, creating a flatter image that lacks highlight and shadows. So we will build an uniform cumulative histogram on the cumulative histogram of the input image. Then a point of operation that shifts the histogram lines of image to the constructed histogram with linear approximation will be found out. So this is the equation that will be involved, where A is cumulative position, K equal to 256 or the number of intensity values, and W is the image width, and H is the image height. Okay, so for now, we only managed to go into the stage of image enhancement. So after this, we will go into the stage of Sobel edge detection, vertical projection, and lastly, back clipping and blend selection will be used at the end in this project. Okay, so we believe that we could do it after this. So in conclusion, image processing is an important technique to manipulate the digital images through the use of computer. It is a translation between the human visual system and digital imaging devices. This proposed solution uses a series of image processing techniques to identify the vehicle number couplet from the database of computer. So it will use Java to conduct experiment on real images. And so that's all from us. Thank you, Dr. Alizi. Thank you so much.